Train running at 80 meters per second crosses a platform double its length in 15 seconds. What does it mean? Train running at 80 meters per second means speed is given. Crosses a platform double its length in 15 seconds. Find the length of the platform. Here, what are they given? We do not know the length of the train. Let us take it as x. We do not know the length of the platform, but they're telling it is double the length of the train. This is going to be platform. Double means 2x. Yes or no? 2x. Now we know the distances add up. So it is going to be x plus 2x, or this is going to be d equal to s into t. X plus 2x equal to s is nothing but 80 meters per second. This is nothing but 15 seconds. This is going to be 1200. This is going to be 3x. X is equal to 400 meters. If x is 400 meters, they're asking the length of the platform. It's nothing but 400 into 2, 800. Clear or any doubts? Why are you finding it difficult? What is difficult here? Very basic. Oh. Is it confusing? Yes, you people. Confusing? Anushit, clear. Okay, next question solved. Online, any doubts? Online, any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Two trains moving in the same direction. Okay. So now the concept is changed. Okay, fine. So now we'll be having scenarios where there are two different trains. Okay, this is train 1, this is train 2. Case 2, this is train 1, this is train 2. Now Abhishek and his girlfriend are running towards each other, and here they are running away from each other. So when will they meet? So in which case will they meet early? In case 1 or case 2? Case 1, obviously. Like Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol, they will run towards each other and they will meet each other. So this is going to be in case 1, they will meet early. If they are going to meet early, what will become to the speeds? Speeds will combine together and they will. So this is S1 plus S2. What happens in case 2? They are going to run away from each other. So break up. That's it. S1 minus S2. The speeds are going to subtract each other, right? So this is the train are coming towards each other, and this is train when it is going away from each other. So in this case, the speeds are going to subtract. In this case, the speeds are going to. The same question is given over here. Two trains moving in the same direction with speeds 40 km and 60 km respectively. Find the relative speed. Now this is called as the relative speed. Fine. So what's the relative speed for this? Yes, answer 20. They are running away from each other. 20 km per hour. Relative speed. Okay. Now two trains are moving opposite direction with 70 and 40 km per hour. Find the relative speed. Opposite directions. Moving towards each other. This is going to be 110 km. Clear or any doubts? Online, clear with this or any doubts in the concept? Okay, fine. Two trains of length 250 meters and 350 meters are coming towards each other with a speed of 15 meters per second and 10 meters per second respectively. Find how much time after how much time will they cross each other? We need to find time. Distance is given and speed is given. Now, since they are coming towards each other, the speeds is going to be relative speed, and the length of the trains. See, always remember the length of the trains or the length of the train plus the platform always are going to get added up. So here the length of the train is 250 plus 350 meters. So we need to find distance equal to speed into time. They're asking for time. So time is equal to distance divided by speed. This distance is nothing but distance of train 1 plus distance of train 2 divided by relative speed. So distance of train 1 is 250 meters. Distance of train 2 is 350 meters. Divided by relative speed of these two is, if they're coming towards each other, 25. It's going to be 600 divided by 25. What's the answer? Able to understand or any confusion? Just finding the relative speed and the lengths gets added. 24 seconds. After 24 seconds, they will cross each other. Okay. So two trains of length 250 and 350 meters are moving in same direction with speeds of 15 and 10 meters per second. Same question. I'm just changing direction. After how much time will the train with greater speed cross the other train? Now, in these kind of questions, this part is just to confuse you people. That's all. Nothing else. You need to find the time taken. That's all. So the time taken you need to find out the time taken. If it is going in the same direction, then what is about the relative speed? Minus 15 minus 10 becomes 5 meters per second. Okay. Answer. Distance equal to speed into time. So distance over here is 250 plus 350 equal to speed, relative speed into time. So time is equal to 600 divided by 5, that is 20 here. 120 seconds. 120 seconds. Fine. Okay, great. Now the last question. Two trains of same length cross a man sitting near a railway track in 7 seconds and 9 seconds respectively. In how much time will they cross each other if they are coming from opposite direction? Now, only the time is given. You haven't been given with distance, you haven't been given with speed. Now, it all depends on the assumption what you do. Now, Now here the time taken by train 1 is 7. The time taken by train 2 is 9 seconds. 9. Now we need to find the distance of. Now the distance of it, you are just going to take the LCM of these. What is the LCM of these two numbers? 7 and 9, 63. 63 is the LCM. Now this is the distance what you're going to consider. This is the distance what you're going to consider. Okay. Now this is the distance for train 1 also. This is the distance for train 2 also. Same thing. Here they're telling two trains are same length. Two trains are same length. So now distance equal to speed into time. Now in how much time will they cross each other if they're coming from the opposite direction? Now you need to. Now this is the relative speed. Relative speed is going to be, you do not know the speed of it, so you need to find out the speeds of it first. So speed is going to be 63 by 7 first case, and speed 2 is going to be 63 by 9. In this case it is going to be 9 meter per second. In this case it is going to be 7 meter per second. 7 meter per second. If this is done, then you know the relative speed. Relative speed is going to be 9 they are opposite, two trains of same length near a railway track respectively cross each other. If they're going to cross each other, obviously they're coming opposite to each other. Relative speeds are going to get added up. So we need to find the time. So time taken equal to distance, that is nothing but 63 plus 63 divided by 7 plus 9 is going to be how much? 16. So 126 divided by 16 will be this will be the time take. Whatever is the answer for this. So this is applicable only when they are not given the length or whatever. You need to find the LCM and they need to find this. Take it up. Okay, you can take it up that way also. In case you are doing this one. So T1 divided by T2 equal to 7 by 9. So this is train 1. This is train 2. 7 is to 9. So speed is going to be in opposite, inversely proportional. This is going to be 9 is to 7. If this is 9 is to 7, then you can start. Anyways, you need not find this also. This will simplify your method more. If you remember the ratio, do it that. Only to find out the distance, you need to take the LCM. Fine. One small part which is remaining is the boats and the streams. That will cover it up in the upcoming sessions. Until this, any doubts? All are clear. Basics. If your basics is clear, everything is clear. Average speed. What is average speed? If like multiple distances are given, how do you calculate the average speed? Total distance divided by total time. Total distance divided by total time. Right? If they are traveling from a point A to point B and from point B to point C of equal distance, then how do you calculate the average speed? If a car is traveling from point A to point B and from point B to point C of same distance, then how do you calculate the average speed? S1 S2 divided by S1 plus S2. If they're coming back to the same point, then it is going to be S1 S2 divided by S1 plus S2. Right? Then what if then what we saw? Then we saw the train coming into picture. If the length of the train is given and if it is passing a person, for the passerby, the distance and the length of the train is going to be the same. And if the platform is also given, you need to add it up. If two trains are given, then that distance are also need to add it. Basic formula, you can do every problem possible. Then the conversion from kilometer per hour to meter per second and from meter per second to kilometer per hour. Remember that is very important in case of units. If the units are going wrong, the entire answer will go wrong. Obviously, they will give you an option with that wrong unit also. So don't be very hesitant to mark that and complex. Then the conversion from second to hour to seconds, that is important. And from decimeter, kilometer, that and all is important. Then these kind of questions. Okay. So there can be sure question from these topics.